Office nga, sakto yun.
Go.
Dami! Si Ate Mano dapat ang laki ng Ole!
Wow!
Daddy. Diyan ko pala kasya.
Oo, maliit yan, Daisy.
Dami!
Hey, that's the present that we found, right?
Regalo sa kanila.
Open it.
Bear!
Open it.
Kayo, sa inyo, Kasha? Mat, sa'yo, Mat. Kasha?
Rip it. Rip it. Rip it.
Rip!
Si Ate Daisy na hindi. Ate Daisy na naman kabay.
Kyle, yung damit mo, Kyle. Kasha sa'yo? Kunin mo!
Let me see. Can I see? Wow.
What's that, Sonny?
Hey, that's not your present, diba? That's the one that we found.
Tatlo talaga yan.
Hindi nga pinatin damit kasi.
Ganon! Hindi mo pinansin kasi damit? Kyle!
Open it, Sammy. Open the present. Oh, look, rip it. Rip it. Can I see? What is it?
Daddy,
Let me see. Rip it.
Happy birthday pala eh, no?
Rip it. Moms, tulungan mo na, oh. Hurry.
sige, hirap ulit. Naka-helmet pa tulisan to eh.
Baka doon sa mga pagkagawan, baka naman eh.
Tataranta eh.
Hurry.
Huli! Ba't sa sabi nag-
There's a dog in it.
Let me see.
That was going to eat you.
Wow.